Good morning. Welcome to CET classes. Today I am going to give you one more CET topic, that is probability. From the CET point, it is very important because from this chapter there will be 4 question, 5 question or 6 question will come for CET. So JEE also, it is very important chapter, so don't miss it. So right, now we shall start some basic properties of probability. Probability means in Kannada Sambhavaniyate. When a coin tossed upwards, the coin shows either head or tail. ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಸೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಹೆಡ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟೈಲ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. So that is the possible events, head or tail. That possible events are collectively called as sample space. This is sample space. Suppose 2 coins are tossed up. The sample space is 2H, HT, TH, TT. ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ನ 2 ಸಲ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಕಾಯಿನ್ ನ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the sample space is this one, double H, HT, TH, TT. If a coin tossed 3 times or 3 coin tossed at a time, then the sample space is it's equals sample space S, triple H, double H, T, double H, HT, H, H, HHT, HTH, next to THH, double H, next single HTT, next to THT, next to TTH, single H, no H means TTT. This is the sample space of 3 coin tossed. So triple H, double H returns, double H 3 times, HHT, so T last ಗೆ, T middle ಗೆ, T first ಗೆ. Here single H 3 times, H, H, H. So first H, middle H, last H, then triple T. So this is about sample space when 3 coins tossed. If a dice tossed one time, dice has 6 faces, right, and 6 numbers. When a dice tossed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the sample space of a dice. If 2 dice are tossed, then it is 6 square. 3 dice, 6 cube. In the same way, 2 coins are tossed means 2 power 1. If 1 coin is tossed, 2 power 1. 2 coin tossed, 2 square. 3 coin tossed, 2 cube. Check 2 cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chances are there. These are the possible outcomes or events in a sample space. Next we shall start independent events. What are independent events? The 2 events A and B in a same random experiment is said to be independent if P of A intersection B equals P of A into P of B. Then what is P of A divides B? P of A divides B means conditional probability. What is the meaning? Hangandre ಏನು? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ good morning. Welcome to CET classes. Today I am going to give you one more CET topic, that is probability. From the CET point, it is very important because from this chapter there will be 4 question, 5 question or 6 question will come for CET. So JEE also, it is very important chapter, so don't miss it. So right, now we shall start some basic properties of probability. Probability means in Kannada Sambhavaniyate. When a coin tossed upwards, the coin shows either head or tail. ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಸೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಹೆಡ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟೈಲ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. So that is the possible events, head or tail. That possible events are collectively called as sample space. This is sample space. Suppose two coins are tossed up. The sample space is 2H, HT, TH, TT. ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ನ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟೂ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ನ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಎಚ್, ಎಚ್ ಟಿ, ಟಿ ಎಚ್, ಟಿ ಟಿ. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಟಾಸ್ಡ್ 3 times or 3 coin tossed at a time, then the sample space is S equals sample space S, triple H, double H, T, double H, H, T, H, 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 T, H, T, H, next to T, H, H, double H. Next single H, T, T, next to T, H, T, next to T, T, H, single H, no H, means T, T, T. This is the sample space of 3 coin tossed. So triple H, double H returns, double H 3 times, H, H, T, so T last ಗೆ, T middle ಗೆ, T first ಗೆ. Here single H 3 times, H, H, H. So first H, middle H, last H, then triple T. So this is about sample space when 3 coins tossed. If a dice tossed one time, dice has 6 faces, right, and 6 numbers. When a dice tossed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the sample space of a dice. If 2 dice are tossed, then it is 6 square. 3 dice, 6 cube. In the same way, 2 coins are tossed means 2 power 1. If 1 coin is tossed, 2 power 1, 2 coin tossed, 2 square, 3 coin tossed, 2 cube. Check 2 cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chances are there. These are the possible outcomes or events in a sample space. Next we shall start independent events. What are independent events? The 2 events A and B in a same random experiment is said to be independent if P of A intersection B equals P of A into P of B. Then what is P of A divides B? P of A divides B means conditional probability. What is the meaning? Hangandre ಏನು? Hangandre to find the probability of A when probability of B is given or B is occur means P of A divides B. We have formula. So what? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. This is the conditional probability. Probability of A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, we have to calculate probability of B. Then probability distribution. Sum of the probability must be equals to 1 and all probabilities are greater than 0. Means ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಆದರೆ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಎ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಾಸ್ಡ್ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ನ 3 ಸಲ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್? ಎಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಎಚ್, ಎಚ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಚ್, double H, single H, H T T, T H T, T T H, then triple T. This is the sample space when 3 coin tossed. Okay. What is E? E means head on third toss. F means heads on first 2 tosses. E means heads on third toss. Head on third toss. Third toss head, third toss head, third toss head, third toss head. So 4 events are there. Heads on first 2 tosses. Heads, 2 heads, 2 heads. Aste. Then what is P of E divides F? P of E divides F means we have formula. P of E intersection F divided by P of F. Don't write this formula for CET because time will waste. So you have to keep this formula in your mind. Formula, whatever the all working procedure na ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಬೇಕು. ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ 4, ಇಯರ್ 2, the common is this one. So 1. P of f, this is f 2. So option 1/2. Second question. Given two independent events A and B such that P of A equals 0.3, P of B equals 0.6, find P of A and B. Independent. Independent means P of A and means intersection. P of A intersection B equals formula P of A into P of B. What is P of A? P of A, they given 0.3, P of B 0.6, multiply, we get 0.18. That is option B. Third one, if A and B are two events such that P of A equals 1/4, P of B equals 1/2, and P of A intersection B equals 1/8, find P of not A and not B. A and B are events, they given P of A, P of B, okay. P of A intersection B, we have to calculate P of not A. Not A means A dash, and means intersection, not B, B dash. What is the formula? P of A dash intersection B dash means P of A union B whole dash, means 1 minus P of A union B, complementary. Suppose example, if P of A dash, what is P of A dash? P of A dash means 1 minus P of A, that is the complement of P of P of A. A dash means complement of A. In the same way, here we have to calculate one, okay. P of A union B formula, P of A union B means P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So negative bracket. Now substitute. P of A means 1/2, P of B, P of A 1/4, P of B 1/2, P of A intersection B 1/8, here 1. So if you multiply, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. LCM is 8, okay. 8 minus 4 2s, minus 2 4s, 8 1s. So plus is there. Okay, simplify. 8 plus 1 9, 9 minus 6 3, 3/8, 3/8, option D. So option D. Question number 4. Given that the events A and B such that they given P of A, P of A union B, P of B, P. We have to calculate P if they are independent. A and B are independent means we have definition P of A intersection B equals P of A into P of B. Substitute the values. P of A 1/2, right. P of B P, okay. Next, P of A intersection B, they don't give, but they given P of A union B. So P of A intersection B means formula P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. This is the formula. Substitute all the values. P of A again 1/2, P of B we don't know, P minus P of A union B, they given 3/5 equals P shift, or this side shift P shift minus P/2. So equals shift numbers, negative become positive, 3/5 minus 1/2. So 2P minus P, P/2, LCM 10, 2 3s are 6 minus 5, 1, 2 1s are 2 5s are, answer P equals 1/5, option A. Question number 5. 2 balls are drawn at random with replacement from a box containing 10 black and 8 red balls. Total number of balls 10 plus 8, that is 18, okay. With replacement with replacement, main thing. Okay, find the probability that both balls are red. Both the balls are red. So if you take there are totally 8 red balls are there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 8 ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವೀಗ 2 ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ 1 ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡ್, 8 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 18. ವಿತ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ದರ್ ಆರ್ 8 ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲು, 8 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 18. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್. ಸೊ 4 9 2 4s are 2 9s are same, 2 4s are 2 9s are, answer 16/81, option B. Suppose ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವಿತ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬದಲು ವಿತೌಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ 2 ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ 8 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ 18. ವಿತೌಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂತರ ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Here how many balls are there? 7 red balls are remaining. Therefore 7 total ball. One ball is removing, remaining 17. So this is the event when without replacement. Simplify, you get the answer. Sixth one, mother, father and son line up at random for family picture. Mother, father and son. I have read sample space. Sample space is equals father, mother, son, father, son, mother for photo shooting. Okay, mother, father, son, mother, son, father, then son, son, father, mother, son, mother, father. These are the possible outcomes or possible events. ಈ ಥರ ಫೋಟೋ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಫೋಟೋಗೆ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇ? ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಿಡಲ್, ನೋ. ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್, ನೋ. ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್, ಸನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್. 4 events are there. Okay, father in the middle, appa madhya, father in the middle. Okay, father in the middle. 2 events are there. Find P of E divides F. P of E divides F means formula P of E intersection F divided by P of F. What is intersection? Common. So common, here is one common, common, here common. So 2. How? P of F, F, father in the middle, yes, 2. So what happens? 2 by 2 cancel, 1. Option A. 7th one, the probability distribution of a random variable is. Probability distribution ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ first condition, all the probability must be positive. Check it out. 0 here x, okay, random variable, probability positive. Okay. Second condition, sum of the probability must be 1. 0.6, 0.1, 0.2, it is not equals to 1. So first one wrong, option A. Option B, so here 0.05, it is not equals to 1, so wrong. Option C, so 0.4, 0.4, 0.2, that is 1. So this one is the correct one. Probability must be positive and sum of the probability must be 1. Therefore option C. Question number 8th one. A family has 2 children. So sample space, yes, equals both are boys. ಎರಡು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಆರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ನೌ the probability that both the children are boys, both the children are boys means BB, both are boys. Given that, given means occur, puttavare, at least one of them is boy, at least one of them is boy. At least 2 means greater than or equal to 1 boy. Greater than 1 boy means 1 boy and also 2 boy. So 2 boys, 1 boys, 1 boys. Given that means condition probability. What we have to calculate? Find the probability of A when probability of B is given. So A means what? This is A. Both are boys. At least it is B. Then formula P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So P of A intersection B common 1 by P of B 1, 2, 3. So option is C, that is 1 by 3. Ninth one, if A and B are events such that P of A divides B equals P of B divides A, then what? So they given P of A divides B equals P of B divides A. P of A divides B means definition P of A intersection B divided by P of B. P of B intersection A, P of B intersection A or A intersection B divided by P of A. So same cancel. Reciprocal or cross multiply. So P of A equals P of B. So means option D. Tenth one, an urn means one box contain 10 block and 5 white balls. So 10 block plus 5 white balls, total 15 balls. Okay, 2 balls are drawn. 2 ball ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ from the box, one after other, one by one, without replacement. ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು. The probability that both the balls drawn are black. So total block 10, one black ball ತಗೋತಾರೆ. So 10 out of 15. Without replacement ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು. So remaining balls, black balls 9, total 14. That's all. Simplify. So 2, 5, 2s are 5, 3s are 3, 1s are 3, 3s are 2, 1s are 2, 7s are. So 3 by 7, option A. 11th one, question ತುಂಬ ಲೆಂತಿ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ನೀವು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು, ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ವಿಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, 3 cards are drawn successively without replacement. 3 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು from 52. Okay, what is the probability that first 2 cards are king? First card king, second card king. Okay, and the third card is ace. Third card is ace. With replacement or without replacement? They don't. Without replacement. Without replacement means ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ there are 4 kings are there, 4 queen and 4 jack. Ace, 4 ace are there. Ace is nothing but a card named by A. Okay, so totally 4 kings are there, 4 by 52 total cards. 1 card is removing, so remaining 3 kings by 51. Next ace, the third card is ace. Total ace 4, remaining total cards 2 cards ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, remaining 50. Simplify, we get the answer. So divide 4 ones are 4, 13s are 3 ones are 3, 17s are again 2s are and 25s are. Simplify, we get option B. Next one, the total number of possible outcomes when a coin is tossed 6 times. ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ನ 6 times ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ಗೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ 2. ಇಟ್ ಟಾಸಸ್ 6 times, therefore 2 power 6. If it tosses 5 times, it is 2 power 5. That's all. So option B, 2 power 6. 13th one, two dice are thrown, the total number of possible outcomes. For one die, 6 chance. For two dice, 6 square. For one dice, 6 chances are there. There are two dice, so 6 square. If it has throws, 3 dice, 6 cube. Here 2 dice, therefore 6 square means 36. Option B. 14th, two dice are thrown simultaneously, sample space, S equals 6 square means 36. Okay. The probability of obtaining total score is 5. ಎರಡು ಡೈಸ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡೂ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈಸ್ ಥ್ರೋಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ 1, then what? So total score 5. So 1 4, right? If it told 2, if it shows 2 first die, second die must be 3 because sum is 5. 3 2, 4 shows 4 1, 5 shows 5 0. 0 does not exist in dice, therefore these are the events of total score is 5. Okay. What is the probability? Means here 1 2 3 4 out of 36. Divide. So 4 ones are 4 nines are. So 1 by 9. Option A. 15th ones. If A and B are two independent events such that P of A dash, P of B dash, P of A intersection B independent, P of A intersection B, definition of independent events, P of A into P of B. But here they given P of A dash. What is P of A? Complementary. So P of A means just write the complementary, simple. 2 by 3 is there. So 3 minus 2, 1, 1 by 3. So P of B dash is there. So P of B just 2 minus 7, 5 by 7. That is the complementary. So substitute P of A 1 by 3, P of B 5 by 7. Simplify. 5 divided by 7 3s are 21. Option B. 5 divided by 21. 16th one. A box of 100 bulbs, out of which 10 are defective. So totally 100 bulbs are there. Among defective 10. So cancel 1 by 10. This is defective. Okay. A sample of 5 bulbs is drawn. 5 bulbs are drawn. So n equals 5. Okay. The probability that none is defective. Yaudu defective illa anta. This is defective. None is defective means no defective. No defective means complementary. 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. 5 bulbs are drawn, so it is 9 by 10 whole power 5. 17th one. 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. There are 52 cards are there. The probability of these 2 being ace. So first card, the first card drawn, total number of ace is 4 out of 52. Next card is also ace, that is remaining 3 out of 51. Simplify. 4 ones are 4 13s are, 3 ones are 3 17s are. Multiply, we get the answer 1 by 2 to 1. That is option B. So multiplication you can do easily. How? 13 into 17. Simple. So 1 1 same is there. 3 plus 7 10. Therefore write the next number, that is 2. Write 2. 3 7s are 21. 2 to 1. So option B. 1 by 2 to 1. If P of A intersection B equals 7 by 10, 18th one, and P of B, P of A divides B. So P of A divides B means formula P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So direct question, substitute 7 by 10 whole divided by 17 by 20, 17 by 20, 0 0 cancel, so 2 shift 14 by 17, 14 by 17 option C. This is simple question but exam alli kelidare. 19th one, a coin is tossed twice. ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ನ 2 times ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. What is the probability that at least one tile appears? At least one tile means greater than or equal to one tile. So one tile or two tiles. So a coin tossed twice, sample space, double H, HT, TH, TT. Okay. What is the probability that at least one tile appears? So one tile appears. One tile appears means one tile. Okay. At least greater than or equal to one tile. Two tile maybe appears. So 3 out of 4. That is 3 by 4. Option A. Question number 21. The random variable x has probability distribution p of x of the following. We have to construct a table. So yes, x, this is probability p of x. Substitute x equals 0, right? 1, 2, next to, that's all. Otherwise means 0, neglect it. K, this is 2k, this is 3k. This is the given condition. The probability distribution aagta ide means sum of the probability must be equals to 1. So k plus 2k, 3k plus 3k, 6k equals 1, k equals 1 by 6. 1 by 6 option A. Question number 22. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. Okay. The given x, p of x, determine p of x less than 3. First we have to calculate the value of k. How? The given probability distribution means sum of all the probability must be equals to 1. So add k plus 2k, 3k, 3k plus 2k, 5k plus 3k, 8k plus k, 9k. Then add k square plus 2k square, 3k square plus 7, 10k square equals 1. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ distribution ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ the sum of the probability must be 1. Now simplify 10k square plus 9k, shift minus 1 equals 0, quadratic, 10 into minus 1 minus 10, 9 back, 10 ones are, so plus minus add 9 multiply minus 10, therefore k equals divided by 10, k equals positive, negative, k equals minus 1, k equals 1 by 10, take positive, so k must be 1 by 10. Okay. Next, determine p of x less than 3. X less than 3, don't take 3 also, less than means this part only. Okay, p of x equals 1, x equals 0 plus p of x equals 1 plus p of x equals 2. P of x equals 1 means k from 0 plus k plus 2k, nothing but 3k. So 3k means 1 by 10, answer 3 by 10, 3 by 10, option B. Question number 23. If two dice are thrown simultaneously, two dice means sample space 3, 6 square means 36. Okay. Then the probability that the sum of the number which comes upon the dice to be more than 5. More than 5 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಡೈಸ್ನ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಡೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಸಪೋಸ್ 1, first dice 1, second dice 5, 1 plus 5, 6, more than 5. Next to 1, 6. 1 plus 6, 7, more than 5. Next 1, 7, no chance. Next take 2. 2, 1, 3, no. 2, 2, 4, no. 2, 3, 5, no. More than 5. 2, 4, 6, 2, 5. Then 2, 6. There are 3 chances are there. Simple. Here 2 chance, here 3 chance. Next start from 3, 1 greater, 4 chance. Start from 4, 1 greater, 5 chance. Check it out. 5, 1 greater, 6, 6, no greater, 7 baro chance illa because the dice shows only 6 face. Therefore 6. Add this. 26. 26 out of sample space 36. Divide. So 13. This is 2 13s are 2 18s are. So 13 by 18, option A. Next question 24. A box contains 6 red marbles. Number from 1 through 6 and 4 white marbles 12 through 5. Find the probability that a marble drawn at random is white and odd number. Okay. 6 red balls are there. Number 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 white balls are there. Number from 12 to 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Find the probability that a marble drawn at random is white and odd number. White, odd number. So 13, 15, 2. So 2 out of total 6 plus 4, 10. So divide 5, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5, option C. The probability of happening of an event A is 0.5, means P of A. This is P of B. If A and B are mutually exclusive means P of A intersection B equals 0. Then the probability of neither A nor B, probability of neither A means A dash nor intersection B dash. Nor means both. Therefore, intersection we have to calculate. So, P of A dash intersection B dash means P of A union B whole dash means 1 minus P of A union B. This is complementary. Okay. Now substitute 1 minus P of A union B. Formula P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Negative bracket. So 1 minus P of A. P of A means 0.5. P of B 0.3. P of intersection. P of intersection means 0. Therefore 1 minus 0.8 plus into minus minus 1 minus 0.8 0.2. The option is C. 26. In a simultaneous throw of one pair of dice, the probability of getting a total more than 7. 2 dice. 2 dice means sample space 6 square again 36. Okay. Getting total more than 7. If you take 1, first dice throws 1, second dice throws 1, what happens? 1 plus 1, 2. But we required more than 7. If you take 1, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. No, more than. So 1 in the agalla. Take 2. 2, 6, 8. Okay. 3, 3, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. Greater than 7. So simple. 1 event. 2 event. If you start from 4, one term ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3. Start from 5, 4. Start from 6, 5. Add these two. Add this. 2 plus 3, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. That is 15. So 26. In a simultaneous throw of pair of dice. Pair of dice means 6 square, sample space 36. Okay. The probability of getting more than 7. Here dice ತಗೋಬೇಕು, dice ನ ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಥ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಡೈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1, If you take 1, second dice throw 1, add 2, no, greater than 7. So dot 6, 1 plus 6, 7. Idu agalla because greater than 7. Therefore start from 2, 2, 5, 2 plus 5, 6, greater than 7, 2, 6, 8. Okay, one chance. If you take 3, 3, 5, 8, greater than 7, 3, 6, 9, greater than 7, 2 events. Similarly, start from 4, 1 increases 3, start from 5, 1 increases 4, start from 6, 1 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 5. Add this 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 total 36 divide, we get the answer. So 3 5s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 5 by 12, option C. Question number 27. If A and B are mutually exclusive, means P of A intersection B equals 0. Given P of A 3 by 5, P of B 1 by 5, then P of A or B. P of A or B means union. P of A and B formula, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. A intersection is 0, remaining is 3 by 5, P of B 1 by 5, just add LCM. So take 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means, so there is a decimal here, fraction. So 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 8 0.8. Option A.